In the ever-evolving landscape of business and finance, new terms and technologies emerge frequently. One such term that you might have encountered is Kashoo. While it might sound like a sneeze or a playful word, in the context of accounting and business management, Kashoo carries a specific and significant meaning. As an expert in accounting management software, I'm here to demystify Kashoo, break down its core functionalities, and explain why it has become a noteworthy player for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Forget any AI-generated jargon. We'll explore this in plain English, perfect for anyone looking to learn or educate others on the topic. At its heart, Kashoo is a cloud-based accounting software platform specifically designed for small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Think of it as your digital bookkeeper, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Unlike complex enterprise-level accounting systems that can overwhelm smaller operations, Kashoo focuses on simplicity, ease of use, and features tailored to the unique needs of growing businesses. To truly understand the meaning of Kashoo, we need to delve into the problems it aims to solve and the core functionalities it offers. Traditionally, small businesses often relied on manual bookkeeping methods using spreadsheets or even pen and paper. This approach can be time-consuming, prone to errors, and doesn't provide real-time insights into the financial health of the business. As businesses grow, these manual methods become increasingly unsustainable. This is where Kashoo steps in. It offers a streamlined and automated way to manage essential accounting tasks, freeing up business owners to focus on their core operations and growth. Let's break down some of its key features and what they mean for a user. 1. Income and expense tracking. This is the fundamental building block of any accounting system. Kashoo allows users to easily record all income generated from sales and all expenses incurred in running the business. You can categorize these transactions, attach receipts, and gain a clear picture of where your money is coming from and where it's going. This simple yet crucial function provides the foundation for understanding profitability. 2. Invoicing. Getting paid is vital for any business. Kashoo simplifies the process of creating and sending professional-looking invoices to clients. You can customize invoices with your company logo and branding, set payment terms, and even send automated reminders for overdue payments. This feature helps improve cash flow and reduces the administrative burden of chasing payments. 3. Bank reconciliation. Connecting your bank accounts and credit cards to Kashoo allows for automatic transaction imports. The software then helps you reconcile these transactions with your bank statements, ensuring that your records are accurate and up-to-date. This process helps identify any discrepancies or errors, providing a reliable view of your cash position. 4. Reporting. One of the most powerful aspects of any good accounting software is its reporting capabilities. Kashoo offers various reports, such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These reports provide valuable insights into your business's financial performance, helping you make informed decisions about budgeting, pricing, and overall strategy. Imagine being able to see at a glance how profitable your business is or what your assets and liabilities are. Kashoo makes this accessible. 1. Medium.com. Medium.com. 2. margcompusoft.com. margcompusoft.com. 5. Contact management. Kashoo allows you to manage your customer and vendor information in one central place. You can store contact details, track outstanding invoices for customers, and manage bills from suppliers. This organized approach improves communication and streamlines interactions with your business partners. 6. Sales tax management. For businesses that need to collect and remit sales tax, Kashoo simplifies this process. You can set up tax rates for different regions and track the amount of sales tax collected. This helps ensure compliance with tax regulations and reduces the risk of errors. 7. Collaboration. With accountants, Kashoo recognizes the importance of professional advice. It often offers features that allow business owners to easily share their financial data with their accountants. This facilitates seamless collaboration and makes tax preparation and financial planning much more efficient. Why is Kashoo significant for small businesses? The significance of Kashoo lies in its ability to empower small business owners with financial clarity and control without requiring extensive accounting knowledge. Here's why it matters. Accessibility. Being cloud-based, Kashoo eliminates the need for expensive software installations and allows access from any device with an internet connection. This flexibility is crucial for today's mobile and distributed workforce. Affordability. Compared to more complex accounting systems, Kashoo is often priced competitively, making it an accessible solution for businesses operating on a tight budget. Ease of use. Its intuitive interface and focus on core functionalities make it easy for non-accountants to navigate and understand. This reduces the learning curve and allows business owners to manage their finances effectively without feeling overwhelmed. Time savings. Automating tasks like invoicing, bank reconciliation, and report generation saves valuable time that can be better spent on growing the business. Improved decision-making. Real-time financial data and insightful reports enable business owners to make more informed decisions about their operations, investments, and future strategy. Professionalism. Sending professional invoices and maintaining organized financial records enhances the credibility and professionalism of the business.